Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Takisha and today we are going to be reviewing this gorgeous hair from Stema hair that I had dyed to be this beautiful, vibrant burgundy color, or I guess magenta, or whatever you want to call it, is popping. So let's get into the video. This hair is from Stema hair. It is 3 bundles in a frontal and the bundles are lengths 24, 22, and a 20, and it reaches like right here from me. I actually did cut some, but it basically like reaches my hips, and I'm 5'3" for reference. The frontal was 18 inches, I believe, and yeah, I cut some layers into it, and I am just loving it. I finally did a side part, which I am very proud of how it came out. So yeah, so first I'm going to tell you a little bit about the hair, and then I'm going to tell you about my dyeing process. It is absolutely gorgeous. As you can tell, it's two-toned. Like, the frontal is somewhat darker than the bundles. It's got a lot of different colors going on here, and I actually don't mind it because I do like, you know, how like it looks different. This is the 20-inch, I believe. And you can see like there is a clear difference in color between this and the frontal. I don't know about you, but I feel like with this turtleneck and this red hair, like I'm getting Kim Possible vibes. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible.
So this is the body wave texture straightened out, and guys, it is so freaking light, silky soft, no tangling, and this is after me dyeing it and washing it and conditioning it. So let me give you guys the pros and cons of this hair. Pro number 1, this hair is able to take dye so well. This is probably my favorite color that I've ever done ever in life. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair and I absolutely love it. So the way I was able to get this gorgeous color is by using 3 bottles of the L'Oreal HiColor HiLights boxes in the color Magenta. So it is such a great, like, efficient way to color your hair, and it's made specifically for darker hair. I didn't need to separately bleach the hair and then dye it. I just did this all in one step. I didn't record the method of me dyeing the hair, but I'll just briefly tell you how it goes. So all I really did was take the freaking bottle and like empty it out in a container, a large container, and then put equal parts of developer in it, and then mix it up and then apply it to the hair. And I think the reason why I got all these different multicolored hair bundles is because I dyed the bundles separately and the frontal separately before I constructed it into like a unit. And I think if I would have constructed it into a unit before and then dyed it like all at once, I would have like less variation of colors throughout the hair. So pro 2 is that this hair is very lovely, very silky, very manageable, very lightweight. I didn't put any products in this hair when I flat ironed it. I just air dried it. No, actually I blow dried it and straightened it, and it is just lovely and I absolutely love it. When I first got it though, and I was playing around with the hair, I did feel like, oh, I'm getting like snags, and it's not like as easy to run my fingers through the hair as I would like, or as I would prefer it to be. And what solved that was just me washing it. And I also felt like it was a little too dry upon first receiving it, which was like another reason why, like, if you notice that your hair, like, it feels really dry upon getting it, it's a good idea to wash it and condition it so you can put back moisture in the hair and that it can be just lively and like lovely and you have no problems with it. So yeah. So we're gonna move over to the cons, or con, I guess. So my one con about this hair would be that, I mean, it does shed. All hair sheds, basically. I don't get like a whole bunch of strands, because if I did, I probably wouldn't be wearing this hair anymore, because I don't like hair all over the place. Like, it bugs the shit out of me. It doesn't shed that much. Like, currently I'm not getting any strands. Well, I got one strand actually. So it's every once in a while I would get a strand, but it's hair, like that's what it does. So like, I don't put it against any hair company if like I'm running my fingers through hair and I'm getting like shedding. I don't think I've ever experienced any hair that hasn't shed at all, like at all whatsoever. So take that as you may. So if excessive shedding bothers you, I don't think you'll have too much problems with this hair, because it just sheds normally, in my opinion. It's not like it's everywhere. It's just like the normal amount of shedding that you would get in hair. So that's basically the only con I can think of. It's just like the every now and then shedding. So let me know, guys, what you think about this hair color. Do you think it's, you know, too much? Do you think it's too bright? Do you think it's just right? Do you not like the two-tone? Let me give you a full 360 of how this hair is looking. So anyways, would I genuinely recommend this hair? Yes, absolutely, I would. I cannot ever stop running my fingers through my hair, and that's a good sign. If you guys are interested in this hair, all the links are down below. And if you're interested in seeing like a visual of how people would dye this hair using the products that I mentioned, there's like so many videos online, so go for it, go searching. But it really is like self-explanatory, and like anybody can do it, and it doesn't really take too much effort, so it is very beginner friendly. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me comments down below on how you like this hair. If you have any questions, if anything I said I didn't really like clarify on, or if I didn't answer certain questions that you might have had. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, because it helps me out so much. You have no idea. It gets my videos noticed by more people and a broader audience. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next one.